Question number 35, and take some time, children. Take some time on this question 35. What is the reading on voltmeter? What is the reading? Think, suppose you are getting this question in your exams. How will you start this question? How will you measure? What is the potential difference measured by this voltmeter, children, as per the diagram here? Now, for this question, children, just recall. Actually, students, before going to the numerical parts or before doing any worksheet questions, your basics should be strong. Basics means that the topic we have discussed in our class lessons. You should understand that whatever we have discussed in class, you have to remember. If you have not studied, please try to watch whenever I share the video link. So please watch your lectures again and read from your textbook. Now, this resistor 30 ohm, and it is unknown, they have not written any resistance, but both are in series. And I discussed that the total voltage in parallel, in series combination is the sum of voltage across the first resistor, voltage across the second resistor. So the voltmeter here, suppose it is V1, suppose it is V2. What is the potential measured by V1? Find out, children. How will you find out the V1? You will find out V1 by the equation V is equal to I into R. I into R. I into R means what is the current? This current is coming and this will flow because both the resistor are in series, same current will flow. Put the value of current, sorry, 0.12 multiplied by resistance, actually resistance of this resistor with whom we are finding the potential difference. So I have to take 30 ohm here. If you multiply, children, please do this calculation. Multiply this value. I need to use calculator. Please someone help me, tell me the answer after multiplication. If you multiply 0.2, 3.6. So this is 3.6 volt. So this voltmeter will measure 3.6 volt, children. What about V2? You have to remember this equation. V is 6. V1 we calculated 3.6. The remaining voltage V2 will be 6 minus 3.6. And if you subtract, you will get 2.4 is the answer. So 2.4 volt is the voltage across the second voltmeter. Even in this question, children, this question becomes very simple if they provide us that the resistance. If resistance is there, then it is very simple. Then you have to use this V equal to I into R. I is how much? 0.12. What is the resistance? Whatever the resistance, but they have not given resistance, so that's why we can't put the value of resistance. So that's why instead of doing, we have calculated the potential of across the first resistor. Subtract this value from the total resist voltage, and then you will get the answer. So let me check. There are two answers in Athens set 2.4 AS. Yeah, been answered. That's good. Next question, children. 36 we are not doing. Already done this question of induction. Long thick wire. Just let me skip this one. Question number 39. That is the equation you have to remember. Ohm's law equation. EMF, force, voltmeter. Okay, just skip this one also. 30, 41, 43. Potential difference measured in volt. Okay, 44, children. Question number 44. An ammeter, yeah, ammeter is there, and 18 ohm resistance is there connected in series with the battery. The reading on the ammeter is this one. The resistance of the battery and the ammeter can be ignored. Okay, what is the EMF of the battery? EMF of the battery, children. How will you do? EMF of the battery. This is how much volt? Please do, children. How will you find the EMF of the battery when we have single resistor? Current is there. I received one answer. Let's answer it's B. First, children, that you have to be very careful. 9 Newton. It isn't. We are not finding a force here. 9 Newton, 36 Newton. Just skip the Newton. So your answer will be either B or D. Now it is easy to find out the answer from two options. 9 volt or 36 volt. V equal to I into R. I is given 0.50. I will write 50 upon 100 multiplied by the 18. 1 0 cancel out. 5 1 are 5 2 are 2 9 are 18. 9 volt is the answer for this question, children. I received one more answer. Calista said it's B. Yes, Calista, your answer is correct. Next question. Next question is, 49. Graph based on the Ohm's law, children. Diagram shows four current voltage graphs. Which two graphs shows the characteristics of an ohmic resistor and of a filament lamp? Okay. Everybody knows that. What is the graph between voltage and current? We have never seen this graph. This graph is not. Only these two graphs are possible. In case of ohmic resistor which obeys the Ohm's law, means when the voltage is proportional to the current. So we get a straight line passing through the origin. And in case of the filament lamp, filament lamp, when current flow, bulb heat temperature increases. And when the temperature increases, we have discussed that how temperature affect the resistance. With the increase in temperature, resistance increases. We have the fourth relation that factors on which resistance depend. Material, length, area of cross section, and the fourth one is the temperature of a conductor. So R increases. So R increase means the current will decrease. Current decreases. So here the slope in graph number Z, it is increasing, but we need that current decreases, slope of the graph should decrease, and that is why. So X and Y is the right pair. Let me check your answer. One student, Calista, said it's B. Yes. Eben also said B. Ethan said B. Sorry. Next question. Again, question number 50. Same potential difference applied. Current is I. V is increased in stages. I is measured. Which graph shows the result obtained? Find the right result. Go with all options one by one, children. Okay, option A is looking correct. This is again they are talking about the filament lamp, children. In option B, what is the problem with option B? When you keep the voltage 0, children, at this point, still it is showing current. There is a problem. How it is possible? Without voltage, current is there. So option B is wrong. Again, option D is wrong. So you have to find out the answer with A or C. And here you know that the slope is increasing, but here with the increasing temperature, current decreases. So we will go with this curve of option A. And Himanshi said it's A. Yes.
Sir, so voltage is unaffected by temperature.
लैपटॉप में Google Meet है,
Now you said Abhishek, how the voltage, when the current is constant, we have discussed this question in series combination. V is equal to IR and V is proportional to resistance. If I is constant, children, then if there is increase in resistance, there is a change in voltage also. But here our current is decreasing, So we will go with this option number A, how the current will change, how the graph of Ohm's law, the voltage versus I, initially that the current will increase because at the low temperature we get a straight line. If we start increasing and increasing temperature, then what happens? The line, that straight line, it will no longer remains a straight line, but with the increase in resistance, so with the increase in temperature, then what will happen? Resistance start increasing and the current start decreasing. So these questions are based actually on the Ohm's law, and you have to study from lessons, video lessons, as well as from the cognitive, as well as from your textbook, and then you will find at low temperature, children, line is almost straight in Ohm's law, and if temperature increases, this value change, line will not be straight. Now, if line is not straight, again, there is some confusion whether graph number A is possible, whether graph number C is possible. So in that case, the current decreases, but the graph, see, it's still the slope is increasing, still the slope here increases. But we have to find that this value should decrease. I hope now this question is clear. I want to move to the next question, children. And we have just few minutes left. And I think we have just few questions. Question number 51, power word is coming here. So I'm not going with the power. We are not discussing the power topic, power. So for the timing, I'm not doing this question. 52 EMF, that battery. 53 length diameter question already discussed. 54 already done in the previous lessons. Question number 55 is already done. Question number 56, ammeter is there. How much energy is transferred by the resistor in 10 seconds? That this question is also based on the power. So I'm not doing this. I think that we have discussed so many questions, children. You need to practice all these questions, children,